Hey everybody, Brent here with Autosport Labs. So we have some really early features to show for the RaceCapture app 2.0. So we've been working on this and we are taking the technology behind the new Podium app, which is currently in beta, specifically around the new dashboard analysis view, and we are retrofitting it into the dashboard for the RaceCapture app. So what I'm going to show you is really early, but you'll get an idea of what will be possible in the new version of RaceCapture. So here we are on the home page. We'll go ahead and go to dashboard, and what we're looking at is a blank canvas for designing a new screen, dashboard screen. Now, we will have presets for common layouts like you are used to seeing today, and those presets will more or less mimic what we have already. But what you'll be able to do now is you'll be able to modify those presets and customize them and make them exactly the way you want. And here's an example of what you'll be able to do. Again, this is just like what you would see in the current Podium app, the what we call the freeform view. So what I did just now is I added an analog gauge. So this is for the yaw sensor. And now I'm moving the connected RaceCapture around. And you'll notice I can drag and reposition and resize this gauge as I see fit. I can also go in and change the channel. So instead of yaw, I could show like the battery voltage. I can also go in and add a different type of gauge, such as, well, let's see, do the yaw sensor again because that's easy since I'm sitting at my desk doing a test. So there's the yaw sensor with the battery voltage together. So use your imagination, but you can create any kind of layout. This could be RPM, you can have throttle position. So here's a new gauge, scatter plot, X, Y. And so this will show a traction circle in real time. As I'm moving the RaceCapture unit around, you can see the trace moving. I don't know why the white dot's not moving. That's a bug, but this is super early. And of course, we'll have that working in the release version. Now, what you'll also be able to do is save this layout as a preset and then be able to recall it later or save it as a configuration, a preset configuration for your dash. And then like how we have presets for CAN bus mapping or analog sensors, we'll also have presets for dashboard layouts. So as we add more, you will be able to go and press the cloud update button on that preset screen and then pull down the latest designs. And then ultimately, we will allow you to share these dashboard layouts with other community members. Now, what we still have to do is bring in the predictive timing bar, create some additional gauges for things like the lap time indicator. These are gauges that are present in the existing RaceCapture app dashboard that will just retrofit into this new architecture. So, yep, here this is a sneak peek, but you'll be able to create any dashboard layout, customize it the same way as you were able to in the Podium app, but now you'll get the same thing in the RaceCapture dashboard. And of course, the arrows, you'll be able to swipe swipe left and right on the dashboard page, and create a number of named layouts. So this will be a huge new feature for the 2.0 version of the RaceCapture app. All right, thanks for watching. We'll keep you updated as we make progress on this. Thanks.